Today on For the Love of Tech, we are unboxing every single iPhone 13 color there is. Boom! Look what we have here, an iPhone 13 in every color. Let's go ahead and take a look. We have our beautiful product red. Over here we have some sort of white, and I think they're calling it Starlight, which is a pretty cool name. Now over here we have our midnight. This is that new beautiful blue that they were talking about. They're actually just calling this straight up blue. So that's what that is right there. And now right here we have what they're calling just pink. So this is kind of sort of a light pink. This is definitely a weird, different, it's not blue, it's something else. Digging it big time. And then this is, I think, midnight, which is just black, but they want to call it midnight. And then you have Starlight, which is kind of like whitish, what it's been in the past, like a pearly looking color. And then product red, which I've never unboxed or owned anything product red. So I'm super excited, which I'm going to start right here. Product red. Let's get into it. Oh. Pulling out our product red right here. Whoo! That is a choice cherry red right there. This is like, wow, this is a spectacular red. Look at this red. This is amazing. And over here you got little buttons and all that stuff. Nothing has changed except your camera hump, so calm down, world. Now opening this up, look at this little product red card in there. Do we have a red apple? No, that would have been too cool if they had like a red apple sticker, but they don't. So here is the product red, which is pretty amazing. We'll set that to the side. Moving on to the lovely Starlight. There we go. So this, okay, so they're calling this Starlight, but it's actually, it's white. So guess they didn't want to call it white, so they called it Starlight. So we're gonna go ahead and put that cutie patootie right there. Put that there. Now we're moving on to midnight, which is also known as black. Which this is a high gloss black, if I have ever seen one. It looks absolutely stunning. All of these colors are phenomenal. Now exactly what I'm going to do with all of these iPhones, I don't know. You may remember the channel back in the day, we were known for our giveaways. Not saying we're gonna start doing them again, but if we were, you have to subscribe if you wanna get notified. If not, you won't be notified. Or if you just wanna see more of my videos or more of me or spend more time with me because I wanna spend more time with you, then go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Subscribe now! So that way, we can spend more time together in the future. This is blue. They're calling it blue, but it's something else. So this is not just blue. It's a different kind of blue. I got my 13 Pro Max in that color as well. Really, really like it. Definitely enjoy it. I hope you enjoy it as much as I do. And now we have this pink, which if this was Google, this would be kind of pink. And in all of the boxes, just so we cover all bases for you, we have a USB-C to Lightning and some stickers, and that is about it. And we've got all these boxes. We have all of these phones. Let's go ahead and recap for you. We have this beautiful product red. So if you are into red and you're in the phones that fit in your hand, perfect. This is the one for you. Just waiting for you. This is white. If you like white, or if you're like, I like Starlight, this is the one for you. Or if you're like, I want a color that goes with anything, then black or midnight is for you. Or if you want a blue that's not really blue and it's some other color, but we're just gonna call it blue, then this is for you. Or if you want a pink and it's not even really pink, but they call it pink, well, this is for you. All we've learned from unboxing every color of the iPhone 13 is Apple does not know how to use the names of colors properly. And they could probably use some help in that department and the leak department too. We need a little bit of help there, Apple. So in case you are wondering, which I know that you were, we're gonna go ahead and look at one of these monsters and we're gonna go ahead and start it up because I want you to see this notch. It is significantly smaller than the year before. Do I have a phone? The only phone I have handy right now is another iPhone 12 Pro Max, which that notch might not be, notch for notch replacement, but you can go ahead and see the notch there. Whereas before, you can kind of get the idea the notch went from like all the way there to all the way there. Now the notch just goes from right there to right there. So it goes from right there to right there. So that means the notch is smaller. So we have a smaller notch. We have the 120 ProRes on the Pro models, and we have an upgraded little camera and some software. Still 12 megapixels because, well, let's face it, Apple is going to push the limit of 12 megapixels until it is physically incapable of doing anything else with it. And they're not quite there yet, so you can expect a few more years of 12 megapixels. If you have made it this far in this crazy, silly unboxing, thank you. Thank you very much. You've spent this much time with me. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share my content with your friends on social media. And for the love of tech, get the out of here. Namaste.